Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of this guitar build. I'm going to start by contouring the neck heel on the body so those upper frets are easy to get to when you're playing the guitar. So I've got my lines drawn where I want the contour to be, and then I'm just going to come in with a router and take that down there. I've got the router set to a little less than a 1/4 inch depth, and I'm just going to route the wood away in successive passes, and each pass I'm just going to keep getting closer to the line I've drawn. Well, the router bit was kind of dull, which made this turn out a little bit sloppy, but I'll sand out those marks and neaten it all up a little bit when I go to round over the edges from that cut. Next thing I'm going to do is drill out the holes for the neck mounting screws. I want the screws to pass cleanly through there without biting into any of the wood, because that'll help pull the neck nice and tight up to the body when I go to mount it. Now I'm going to sand the whole body to prep it for finishing. Start by using a palm sander with 240 grit sandpaper, and then I'm going to go up to a 320 grit sanding pad, and that should be good for this. So here I'm using a rotary tool with a sanding drum to just round over that sharp edge left from the router. And then once I've got that feeling pretty good, I'll come back in with some sandpaper and smooth it all out. Well, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe to see the rest of this series. I'll see you next time.